What car is considered the best-selling in history? Toyota Corolla, Volkswagen Beetle, Ford Model T, Honda Civic. Correct answer, Toyota Corolla. In which year was the first mass-produced car, Ford Model T, introduced? 1908, 1913, 1920, 1925. Correct answer, 1908. Which automaker produces the Mustang model? Chevrolet, Ford, Dodge, BMW. Correct answer, Ford. From which country does the Mercedes-Benz brand originate? Germany, France, Italy, Japan. Correct answer, Germany. Which of the following names does not belong to a car model? Camry, Prius, Rogue, Apex. Correct answer, Apex. What car is referred to as Bimmer? BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Volkswagen. Correct answer, BMW. In which year was the Tesla company founded? 2001. 2003, 2006, 2008. Correct answer, 2003. What car is known as the Devourer of Worlds and is a recurring adversary of the Fantastic Four? Galactus, Ego the Living Planet, the Watcher, the Beyonder. Correct answer, Galactus. What is the system designed to prevent tire blowouts? ABS anti-lock braking system, ESP electronic stability program, TBMS tire pressure monitoring system, ASR anti-slip regulation. Correct answer, TBMS tire pressure monitoring system. Which carmaker produces the 911 model? Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche, Aston Martin. Correct answer, Porsche. What is the nickname for the presidential limousine of the United States? Cadillac 1, Lincoln Continental, Chevrolet Suburban, Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Correct answer, Cadillac 1. Which automaker produces the F-150 model? Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge, Toyota. Correct answer, Ford. In which year was the first hybrid car, Toyota Prius, introduced? 1995, 2000, 2003, 2007. Correct answer, 1995. What does the abbreviation AWD stand for in the context of cars? All-weather drive, rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, all-wheel drive. Correct answer, all-wheel drive AWD. What is the name of the first electric car produced by Tesla? Model S, Model X, Roadster, Model 3. Correct answer, Roadster. Which automaker produces the Civic model? Ford, Honda, Toyota, Chevrolet. Correct answer, Honda. To which company does the Audi brand belong? Volkswagen Group, General Motors, Toyota, Ford. Correct answer, Volkswagen Group. Which car brand is known for its sports models Elise and Exige? Lotus, Alfa Romeo, Maserati, Bugatti. Correct answer, Lotus. What car is considered the first mass-produced hybrid vehicle? Toyota Prius, Honda Insight, Ford Fusion Hybrid, Chevrolet Volt. Correct answer, Toyota Prius. What is considered the first car in history? Ford Model T, Benz Patent Motorwagen, Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost, Volkswagen Beetle. Correct answer, Benz Patent Motorwagen. Which automaker produces the Camaro model? Dodge, Chevrolet, Ford, Pontiac. Correct answer, Chevrolet. Which brand produces the XC90 model? Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Volvo, BMW. Correct answer, Volvo. Which car is associated with James Bond? Aston Martin DB5, Ferrari Testarossa, BMW Z8, Lotus Esprit. Correct answer, Aston Martin DB5. Which car was known for its ability to swim? Volkswagen Beetle, Ford Piquet Avenue Plant, Amphicar, Jeep Wrangler. Correct answer, Amphicar. To which country does the headquarters of Honda belong? United States, Japan, Germany, South Korea. Correct answer, Japan. Which brand produces the Highlander model? Ford, Honda, Toyota, Hyundai. Correct answer, Toyota. Which car is associated with the term muscle car? Dodge Challenger, Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro, Pontiac GTO. Correct answer, Ford Mustang. In which year was the first Chevrolet Corvette Coupe convertible released? 1953, 1961, 1970, 1985. Correct answer, 1953. Which brand produces the Outback model? Subaru, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Kia. Correct answer, Subaru. What is the name of the system that maintains a constant speed of a car on the highway? Traction control, cruise control, parking assistance, hill descent control. Correct answer, cruise control. Which automaker produces the Rogue model? Ford, Honda, Toyota, Nissan. Correct answer, Nissan. What type of fuel do most modern cars use? Diesel, propane, natural gas, gasoline. Correct answer, gasoline. Which brand produces the Challenger model? Ford, Dodge, Chevrolet, Pontiac. Correct answer, Dodge. In which year was the first Land Rover Defender SUV released? 1948, 1955, 1962, 1970. Correct answer, 1948. Which car brand uses a logo depicting wings in a circle? BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Rolls-Royce. Correct answer, Rolls-Royce. Which car is known as the Silver Arrow? Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren, Audi R8, Jaguar F-Type, Bentley Continental GT. Correct answer, Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren. Which brand produces the Fusion model? Ford, Honda, Toyota, Chevrolet. Correct answer, Ford. Which company produces the Sienna model? Ford, Honda, Toyota, Kia. Correct answer, Toyota. Which car is associated with the phrase first mass producer of automobiles? Ford Model T, Chevrolet Corvette, Toyota Camry, Volkswagen Beetle. Correct answer, Ford Model T. Which car became the first fully aluminum-made vehicle? Audi A8, Tesla Model S, Jaguar XJ, Ford F-150. Correct answer, Audi A8.